This activity will help you begin making connections between project ideas and the potential for learning within them. In this short video, we will introduce a slide deck and pick-me-up activity that you can utilize with your team of teachers and advisors as you're all building your project design muscles. We think about the learning goals as different lenses through which to consider our learning. Empirical reasoning is the ability to think like a scientist, to use empirical evidence and a logical process to make decisions and evaluate hypotheses. It also involves making connections to scientific content, such as biological processes, physics, or chemistry. Social reasoning is a process of thinking like a historian or an anthropologist and involves seeing diverse perspectives, understanding social issues, exploring ethics, and looking at issues historically. The communications learning goal helps us to be effective communicators. We consider how to understand our audience, how to read, write, speak, and listen well, and how to use technology and artistic expression to communicate. Quantitative reasoning is when we think like a mathematician. We work to understand numbers and data, to analyze uncertainty, to comprehend the properties of shapes, and to study how things change over time. Our personal qualities are the ways in which we push ourselves to do our best work. This learning goal may include organization, leadership, time management, as well as things like demonstrating respect, collaboration, and reflecting honestly on strengths and areas for growth. You can play this game with hats, where you post a learning goal on each hat, or you can use index cards or post-it notes. Either way, you'll create one for each learning goal. The idea is to hand out one of the learning goals to 5 different participants. Let them know the goal is to get rid of the learning goal in each round. The way the game is played is, I'll flash up a topic, and if you have a learning goal, you have to find a way to connect the learning goal with that topic, just as if you were working with a student on a project. For example, if the topic is a table, and your learning goal is quantitative reasoning, you can make the connection of designing a table to scale, using precise drafting and measurement. Or, if the topic is footwear, and your learning goal is empirical reasoning, your connection could be looking at how different patterns in rubber affect runners' comfort in a sneaker. Each round should be rapid fire, so see if you can get through each learning goal in a 90-second round. If a participant can't name a suitable connection, they have to hang on to their hat for the next round. If they succeed, they get to determine which player gets their learning goal in the next round. Let's give it a shot. Hand out your learning goals to your team and use the attached slides to play the game. Have fun!